Missing one. Missing one.
You're missing one?
Oh. Here's one.
What letter is that?
I don't know.
What is it, Bagger?
No, Genevieve, don't take it from him.
What letter is it?
I don't know.
Look at it.
The letter Y.
That's right. Can you find where? Oh, there you go.
Cover your mouth.
Cheese.
You need something to drink?
No. Here's my juice.
Hey, Genevieve, he's giving it to you.
Huh? This is my juice. This is my juice. This is my blue juice. So this is my blue cup. This is my cup. This one. This is my cup. This one. What letter goes there? Missing one. No. Here.
Yep, that's right, Bagger. She's right. Listen to the woman.
Cheese.
Oh, I finally got both of them looking.